Looking for a keyboard that keeps up with your fast reflexes and intense gaming sessions? The FIODIO F-GKB100 mechanical gaming keyboard with black switches might be exactly what you need. Designed for gamers who demand precision and speed, these linear switches deliver a smooth, consistent keystroke without any distracting clicks or resistance. That means every command registers instantly, giving you the edge in high-stakes games like first-person shooters. What really sets this keyboard apart is its stunning full-spectrum backlighting. With 3 customizable DIY modes and 19 dynamic effects like streaming, racing, and breathing, you can tailor the lighting to match your mood or game environment. Plus, you have full control over brightness and speed, making it easy to create an immersive atmosphere whether you're gaming late into the night or just want a stylish setup on your desk. Beyond looks, the FIODIO F-GKB100 offers serious performance. Its 104-key anti-ghosting ensures every key press counts. No missed commands, no confusion, no lag. This is crucial when every millisecond matters. The keyboard's metal superstructure adds a premium feel and boosts durability, so it won't wear down after long hours of intense use. An ergonomic honeycomb wrist rest helps reduce fatigue, making marathon gaming or work sessions more comfortable. Spills happen. That's why this keyboard features a splash-resistant design, protecting your investment from accidental water damage. Tested to withstand over 10 million keystrokes, the FIODIO F-GKB100 is built to last, promising reliability that won't let you down. Compatible with a wide range of Windows systems, from 2000 through Windows 10, it's ready to plug and play without hassle. If you're someone who values precision, durability, and a sleek aesthetic, this keyboard delivers on all fronts. One user shared, "This is the first mechanical keyboard I've ever bought, and I'm so glad I made the switch. The keystrokes are smooth, and the LED lights are amazing." That kind of feedback speaks volumes about the quality and experience this keyboard offers. Worth a look if you want a gaming keyboard that combines performance with style and comfort. If that's you, the FIODIO F-GKB100 could be the upgrade your setup needs. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference that thoughtful design and reliable mechanics can make.